Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways to make money online, allowing beginners to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Whether you're looking to generate passive income or replace your full-time job, affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture if done correctly. Here's a guide with 10 actionable tips for beginners to succeed in affiliate marketing in 2024. 1. Choose the right niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is selecting a niche you're passionate about and that has profit potential. A well-defined niche allows you to target a specific audience, which can increase conversion rates. Popular niches in 2024 include personal finance, health and wellness, and online education. Research demand and competition in your chosen niche to ensure there's room for growth. 2. Select high-quality affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer low commissions or unreliable tracking, making it hard for beginners to succeed. Research and select affiliate programs that offer generous commissions, good tracking systems, and products that resonate with your target audience. Popular platforms for beginners include ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and Jivezoo. 3. Build a content-rich website or blog. Creating a content-rich website is crucial for affiliate marketing. This platform will serve as a base to promote your affiliate products through blog posts, reviews, guides, and tutorials. Focus on providing valuable content that solves problems for your audience. The more helpful and relevant your content, the more likely visitors will trust your recommendations. 4. Master SEO to drive organic traffic. Search engine optimization, SEO, is one of the most important skills in affiliate marketing. Optimizing your website for search engines will help you rank higher in search results, driving free, organic traffic to your site. Learn the basics of keyword research, on-page SEO, and backlink building to attract your target audience. 5. Leverage social media. In 2024, social media continues to be a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest allow you to engage with your audience and promote affiliate products in a more personal way. Build your following on the platforms that make sense for your niche, and create engaging, educational content around your affiliate offers. 6. Create email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is one of the highest converting methods of affiliate marketing. Building an email list allows you to connect with your audience directly and send personalized product recommendations. Offer lead magnets like free ebooks, checklists, or discounts in exchange for visitors' email addresses. 7. Write product reviews and comparison articles. Writing in-depth product reviews and comparisons is one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products. Consumers often search for reviews before purchasing, making this type of content highly valuable. Be honest in your reviews, outlining both the pros and cons, and include a clear call to action with your affiliate link. 8. Utilize paid advertising, optional for beginners. Although beginners can start with free traffic methods like SEO and social media, paid advertising can rapidly boost your earnings. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Pinterest Ads allow you to target specific audiences and promote affiliate products more aggressively. If you're just starting, approach paid ads cautiously and set a budget you're willing to lose in the learning phase. 9. Track and analyze your results. Affiliate marketing requires constant tweaking and optimizing. Use tools like Google Analytics, affiliate dashboards, and other tracking software to monitor which of your links are converting, where your traffic is coming from, and which content performs best. Analyze this data regularly and adjust your strategy to improve performance. 10. Stay consistent and patient. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. Many beginners give up too early because they don't see immediate results. It's important to stay consistent, create content regularly, and focus on long-term growth. Over time, your efforts will compound, leading to a steady stream of income. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic way to make money online, but it requires commitment, strategy, and patience. By focusing on these 10 foundational tips, beginners can start building a profitable affiliate marketing business in 2024 and beyond. Whether you're looking to make a few extra dollars or replace your full-time income, affiliate marketing offers incredible potential for growth. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in a practical way, I recommend that you visit the link in the description where you will find this complete training.